What's up, guys? Welcome back to another mukbang with Seth. I am just getting out of a little good time with the buddies at some pool, played some pool, had some drinks at the bar, and I am going to be doing a little personal review on some Jack in the Box with some good sauce. You guys have to see that backwards because my camera's facing another way. But I also have some Zax sauce left over from Zaxby's. So we're going to be trying that as well. And some hot sauce right here. I love hot sauce. I'm definitely a spice person. But we're going to try this out with Zax. Everybody knows Jack in the Box tacos are always smack around 3 in the morning. Well, it's not 3, maybe like 2:30, but close. They made my order very fast, very good, very delight. Everything was in there. I also have the amazing new and improved wedges. They look a little messy here, but yeah, we're gonna eat this today and we're gonna have a good review. This is straight out of the bar, straight out of the pool with the boys. I want to get a good presentation of our food for tonight. And I also have a sourdough jack without the tomato. Yeah, so we're gonna be eating that. We'll try some Zax with that, but we're gonna try the Zax sauce now with one of the tacos here, and let's go ahead and try a bite. Let's get that bite in, all right? So I felt like it was a good night. You know, going out, I felt very good. Spending time with the boys. Sometimes you just need time with the boys. I'm very big on my relationship, with God and my relationship with my woman. Um, but as a man, you need the time with the boys. You need to feel alive again sometimes, and that's it's not wrong. Especially if you're going to be going out, not talking, not engaging with other girls in any type of promiscuous way. Hey, I'm not trying to, no, I'm in a relationship, right now I'm good. But with that being said, these tacos are smack. Actually, this is very very good perfection. Let's try another bite here. Mmm. This Zax sauce, my favorite. It goes good on anything. Super good. Mm. I've been dieting all week for the last 2 weeks, actually. Working out 6 days a week. Tomorrow, I'll be doing an extra workout. See what time I wake up, but definitely gonna get a workout. Burn some carbs that I'm eating tonight, but very good. I've been lifting a lot heavier, lifting a lot more. Getting ready for UFC No Chib. Should be a good time. I'm gonna meet everybody knows the guy that chased me. Not sure you guys remember, but let's bring it back. Yeah, so yeah, that'll be another time. I'll be showing you guys that link later. Yeah, that's Marab the Wallace Willie, by the way. That's the guy that chased me. I'm the guy that, you know, pressed Rob to kind of go against Aljo, and I wanted to see a show, and yeah, it turned out against me, but it actually motivated me to get into MMA and start doing better for myself. I haven't been doing MMA. I've been working a lot more. You know, had a lot of things happen these past few years of my life, but as we all do, we all go through things, right? And I'll be going to the gym. I go to the gym every week now, and try to keep strong. But yeah, right now this feels good. You get a little cheat meal and not, you know, splurge too much. This is only $12. I mean, come on. In this economy, you can't beat that. With all these sauces for free, come on. I'm new to the food game. We're gonna try the burger here. This is the sourdough jack. I'm actually very interested in this. I've never tried the sourdough jack, and it does say something different right here on the paper. That's why you can't see it. It's something different. Something different's always good, right? And with this one, I'm gonna go ahead and try it with the good sauce from Jack in the Box. It's kind of like a secret sauce. My little cat right here, Venus. But oh yeah, we're gonna try this, guys. It has bacon. It looks like it has bacon on it. It has a beef patty and some ketchup and mayo. But we're gonna try that with a little bite of the yum yum sauce. We're gonna get. Oh man, the buns are toasted perfectly. The bacon looks crisp. Jack in the Box. Hey, can't go wrong at 2:30 in the morning. They got some good workers back there. Venus, no. Wow. Potato wedges time. These are amazing, actually. Phenomenal. I ran out of Gatorade, but Dollar General, next to me here in Mission, Texas, they have actually buy three, get three for $1. So, yeah, good deals. Taking advantage of that. Wow. I think people watch my food review, guys. Good night.